What up, Jerk Squad? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to tie a Palomar knot. Now, this is one of my favorite knots to use for fishing. I use it on all my hooks, all my swivels, and you can use it for tents, you can use it for anything you want. In this case, I'm using it for a lock. Why? I don't know. Alright, now we have this green cord right here that I'm going to use to tie this Palomar knot. Now what you're going to want to do is get about 6 or 7 inches, and you're going to want to fold the line on top of itself, and you're going to want to pinch the left end. Now this left end over here that you pinch, you're going to want to take it and put it through the eye of whatever item you're using, in this case being a lock. So we stick it through, you get your other piece over here, and there you have it. You have completed the first step. Now what you're going to do is take this loop in your left hand and you're going to put it over top of these 2 lines on that side. See that? That's a good time right there. Now you're going to take this little loop you got in your right hand and you're going to put it through this hole at the bottom. Alright? Get it through the hole, and there you go. You are left with this. Okay? Now you're going to take this loop in your right hand and you are going to take whatever item you have and you are going to put it through that loop. Put it right through there. Now you're going to hold on to these 2 strings in your left hand and you're going to work the knot. You're going to work it shut, tighten it up, get it all nice and tight. Then you're going to take your main line and you're going to pull that main line as hard as you can, just so it's all tightened up. And then there you go. You have successfully completed a Palomar knot thanks to the Perch jerker. Now once you do this, you're going to want to take your loose end and you're going to want to cut it off. Trim the loose end off. There you go. Get rid of that, we don't need that. And you have your finished Palomar knot. Now this is very strong, so you can use this for anything, and this is not going to come undone. The only thing that'll happen is something breaks the line. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give a thumbs up for the Perch jerker. We out here tying knots and doing crazy stuff. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Peace.